Want to lose weight but don't have time to go to the gym? Don't worry. In this video, I show you simple and effective ways to lose weight at home with easy exercises and healthy habits. Let's begin. First, always warm up your body. Start with 2-3 minutes of jogging in place. Arm circles and light stretching. This prepares your body for exercise and prevents injuries. Here's a quick workout routine you can do right at home. Jumping jacks 30 seconds. This exercise is great for burning calories and getting your heart rate up. Squats 15 reps. Squats are perfect for building strength in your lower body, including your thighs, hamstrings, and glutes. Push-ups 10 to 15 reps. Push-ups work your chest, arms, and shoulders. If you're new to exercise or haven't done them in a while, start with a low number of reps and work your way up. Mountain climbs 30 seconds. This exercise is excellent cardio for burning fat and engaging your core. Plank 30 seconds hold. Planks strengthen your core, including your abdominal muscles, back, and shoulders. Hold a plank for 30 seconds. If you need to, you can break up the hold into shorter intervals. Repeat this 3 times for a full body fat burning workout. Exercise is important, but diet matters even more. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume, so it's crucial to watch your calorie intake. Here are some simple tips to help you with that. Eat more vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins. These foods are nutrient-rich and will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Avoid sugary drinks and junk food. These are often high in calories and low in nutrients. They can sabotage your weight. Los effects. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Water helps you stay hydrated and can help you feel full, which may reduce your overall calorie intake. Get 7-8 hours of quality sleep. Sleep helps regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism. Remember, consistency is a key. Even 20-30 minutes of exercise daily can help you burn fat and lose weight over time. Stay motivated and track your progress. You can use a fitness tracker or a food diary too. Monitor your activity and calorie intake. Be combining regular exercise with a balanced diet. You'll be on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in no time. And that's how you can lose weight at home with simple exercises and a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Let's get fit together.